Have you ever called IT because your computer was acting strangely, only to be told, have you tried restarting it? It sounds cliche, but there's actually a really good reason for it. You might think that shutting down your PC and turning it back on does exactly the same thing as restarting it, but on modern versions of Windows, that's not always true. By default, Windows uses a feature called Fast Startup. When you click Shutdown, Windows doesn't completely close everything. Instead, it saves part of the operating system to disk, so your PC can start up faster the next time you turn it on. That means if Windows has a temporary issue, a driver problem, or something has become stuck in memory, simply shutting down and turning your PC back on may not actually clear the issue. When you click Restart, however, Windows performs a full shutdown of the operating system before starting everything again from scratch. Drivers are reloaded, memory is cleared, and pending updates often finish installing. That's why restarting is one of the first troubleshooting steps IT support will ask you to try. It fixes an incredible number of issues, including slow performance, programs freezing, devices like printers or webcams not working, network connections, and Windows updates waiting to finish. So, next time your computer starts behaving oddly, don't just shut it down. Choose Restart instead. It only takes a minute or so, and it could save you a call to IT. Did you already know there was a difference? Let me know in the comments, and follow for more quick PC tips.